Welcome to EZICHEQ. Today I'll be taking you through a product demonstration. Once you've got yourself a free trial and log in for the first time, it should look like this. This is your dashboard, which will show you important information at a glance and let you know if any assets are unsafe or requires a check. The Quick Start menu will help you add your checklists, item types, items and users into the system. The dashboard menu will bring you back to the dashboard, or you can create insights. Insights are easy ways to customize your dashboard to show what data or graphs you want to see. Under Account, you have your account, billing and user details, along with the item types and checklists you've set up. Here you can also access the libraries. This way, you don't have to build a whole checklist from scratch. Just copy and paste. Inviting users is very easy. All you have to do is enter their email address and what type of user they'll be. They'll then get an invite via email to join your company. Under Items, you'll have a list of all your items, all the checks done, as well as where that item is located on a map. If you need to run or build a report, you can find this under the Reports tab. And lastly, under My Details, here's where you get to edit your personal details and change passwords or access the help guides. We have more video walkthroughs covering off all the setup steps mentioned above. Let's now jump into an account with some data. On this dashboard, you can see the total number of items we have, how many are safe, unsafe, or needs to be checked. Adding an item is easy. You can do it either from your computer if you're setting this up from the office, or your smartphone if you're setting it up while you're on site. But you'll need a few things first. Mainly, you'll need some blank labels. You can buy these from our store or request a sample pack from your sales rep. Then you'll need to have item types and checklists set up in your account. If you go to Account and scroll down to the library, you can quickly and easily copy these pre-made templates into your account. Let's look at the two ways we add items in. First, from the computer. Go to Quick Start and select Scan a Smart Label and scan the blank label. Now, all you need to do is go through and enter some basic information, and your item is set up and ready to be inspected by users. Now from the mobile device. You need to be logged into your EZICHEQ account on your mobile browser first and have a blank label handy. Now all you need to do is go through and enter some basic information, and your item is set up and ready to be inspected by users. Digital inspections are easy. All you have to do is get your smartphone camera out and scan the label. Next, pick the checklist you need and click Start. The map shows that you are at this location checking this item now. For this example, we've picked a certified weekly inspection for scaffolding. Once you've gone through the checklist, you'll get to add photos and comments at the end. Hit Submit and you're all done. The other admin users will get notified instantly on whether the check was a pass or fail, plus see your comments and if you've managed to resolve it. If you go to Checks, you can easily see who has checked which item and when it was done. Also, if it passed, failed or triggered an alert. You can customize the view of these pages as well. For instance, if you just want to see relevant info displayed, you can delete these columns and save view. This way, every time you view this page, you'll only see what's relevant to you. Let's go back to the blank account and add an item and checklist together. I'll go to Quick Start, create an item type, then I'll make a checklist. Now, I'll grab a blank label and scan it. You have two options here: add a new item, or if you've damaged or lost a label, click Replace Existing Label. Now we'll go through and add the item type and checklist and a few other bits of information, and we're done. If you pause the video and scan this QR code on screen, you'll be able to experience what using EZICHEQ for your inspections is like. We hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please get in touch. EZICHEQ, we make digital inspections easy.